Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Christmas decorations in Bloxburg. To begin, you'll need to enter your plot and switch into build mode. This is where all the magic happens for customizing your home. Once there, navigate through the various tabs until you find the dedicated section for seasonal or holiday items. These special decorations are usually available during specific times of the year, bringing festive cheer to your virtual home. You'll find everything from twinkling lights to grand Christmas trees. Once you are in build mode, look for the main menu at the bottom or side of your screen. Click on the Decorations tab, which is usually represented by an icon like a picture frame or a lamp. Within this section, you should see a subcategory specifically labeled Holiday or Seasonal. This is where all the festive items are stored, ready for you to browse and purchase. It's a straightforward process to find these special editions. Bloxburg offers a wide array of Christmas decorations to suit any style. You can find outdoor items like colorful string lights, festive wreaths for your doors, and even snowmen. Inside, you'll discover magnificent Christmas trees, cozy stockings for your fireplace, and various ornaments. Most items require Bloxbucks, the in-game currency. While some smaller items might be free, larger decorations can cost anywhere from 50 to several hundred Bloxbucks, so plan your budget accordingly. After selecting your desired decorations, it's time to place them. Use the grid system in build mode for precise positioning, ensuring everything looks neat and organized. Don't be afraid to experiment with different color schemes, perhaps a classic red and green, or a modern silver and blue. Combine various items like placing presents under your tree or hanging lights along your roofline to create a truly magical and festive atmosphere. Always remember to save your progress before exiting build mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.